I just think the guys kind of gathered themselves and got a little bit more determined there in the second half. We made, I think Justin doesn't get credit for his defense, but he guarded Rattler the whole second half, and that was big because that takes a lot out of him. And then RJ just kept making big shot after big shot, and you could kind of feel it coming. You could feel the momentum shifting, and then of course, everybody's going to remember Scotty's shot, but it was this guy who got the penetration and the kick and the pass to him. So, RJ's obviously truly deserving tonight, and just the aura of Ginebra, never say die. We don't represent it as much as the old Jaworski days, but we still feel it, and we still talk about it, and it's still part of our culture. So tonight we lived up to Sonny Jaworski and his group. I'm real proud about that.
Thank you, Coach. Now, RJ, your first Christmas Classical, first time you're facing the team of your uncle, Tito, Johnny A. But then the way you played tonight, making that significant impact, sabi nga ni Coach, not just hitting big shots, but making the right decisions. Just share how do you feel right now, lalo na sabi mo before the game, you really want to play well for the fans and to make the Abarianos fan proud?
First of all, I don't know, I think I just need to step up for Ginebra, and just like Coach Steve said, yung first half talagang struggle kami. I mean, not just Justin, not just Scotty, and lahat kami nag-struggle yung first half. But na-encourage kami kasi Christmas, so lahat naman gusto mong manalo ng Christmas, so lahat gusto mong umuwi ng panalo. Even si Tito, gusto niyang umuwi ng panalo, so lahat kami gusto mong umuwi ng panalo, but yeah, sabi ko team, NSD never say die, so kailangan namin pakita yung best namin sa crowd, lalo na ngayong Manila Classico special to for Ginebra team, and especially for me kasi this is my first time playing sa Manila Classico, and then with my uncle pa, so very special for me, and yeah, just para sa akin lang to, and move forward for the next one.
We now open the floor for questions. Anyone can start.
Merry Christmas, RJ. Can you just take us back to that last play for Coach? Was it designed to force action with the shot?
It was designed for RJ to make the decision. We wanted to get the ball into RJ's hand and then put him in a pick and roll situation with Justin. So we wanted to flare Justin out, and we were spreading everybody out, and we were hoping that RJ would get some penetration in the paint, either throw back to Justin or find somebody open. And so we put the game in RJ's hands, and he delivered with a great pass to Scotty.
RJ, si Scotty nakita mo na talaga na nasa corner ba?
Yeah, sa coach, yung room niya talaga yung timeout. So ako, isip ko lang na momentum para sa akin. Pero nakita ko talaga nag-collapse yung Magnolia, that's why nakita ko si Kuya Scotty. And then we know Kuya Scotty, nandiyan yan more weak shot, kaya walang doubt para ibigay sa kanya yung bola. So just open, and then yun.
Coach, where does this Christmas tree victory run?
Well, I was just funny that you should ask that, because just yesterday I was reminding Jeff of the game we had at Philippine Arena on Christmas Day with Magnolia, and Jeff had hit 5 3-pointers in that basketball game. And we were laughing about it. He goes, "That's a game I'll never forget." And I think this is going to be another one of those games where we never forget. I know RJ won't forget it. Again, going against Johnny, who is absolutely dear to my heart, and making the big play, making the big comeback, and then having his Scotty hit the big 3-pointer. So memorable game for all of us. We're going to remember this for a while, but like you said, we got to move on. We got San Miguel next. Coming off the break, we got San Miguel, so it doesn't get any easier.
Before the game was easy, also
Kuya Mark, parang binabantay mo lang din or alam mo lang si Jason Castro. So, for me, that kanina very special to for me as a player and for my career also na nakakalaban ko yung mga ganong player na talagang subok na sa larangan ng professional basketball. So, for me, sa mga ganong game, kahit na panalo mo rin, kailangan ko pa rin matuto, mapatunayan sa sarili ko na may bibigay pa ako sa game na yun. So, yeah, siguro yun lang yung ito lang yung time para sa amin kaya nakuha na yung panalo. Pero respect kay Kuya Mark Moroco kasi talagang nandun siya sa harap ko. Talagang nahirapan ako sa game.
The last 2 weeks against Woodward and tonight.
Exactly, yeah.
Very contrasting. Dueling against Woodward tonight. How will you deal with that as a place? What is it again? Who's next after that?
Well, I think we learned a few things about Converge, and even the first half against Purefoods. We've got to do a better job on the boards. We've got to get more physical. Converge out-rebounded us by 21. I think that they out-rebounded us by 16 in the second half. So, we're learning as we go along. I think there are times when we are absolutely dominant out there, and there are times when we go through these really long stretches where we don't score and we don't play very good defense. So we're trying to smooth that out. We always say, right, every game is different, but the last two have been really polar opposites. We played a brilliant first half and against Converge, and we just kind of let down, and then they came back and they steamrolled us. And in this half, our game, we were feeling so bad at halftime, but they found a way to keep fighting back and got the win. So we always say that every game is different. There's always going to be something different. Next game, maybe we go out lead by 20 and win by 1, or maybe. You just don't know. Or it's a one-point game the whole way through. Every game is different. So we just proved that over the last 2 games we played.
Coach, how big is this victory going to your game against San Miguel?
Well, yeah, it takes a little bit of pressure off us because we remain, towards the group on top. If we had lost, we would have dropped down to, the middle or bottom, so it takes pressure off. It's really hard to come into a game and be must win, must win, must win. So that puts a lot of pressure on you. We need to come into San Miguel feeling confident and comfortable with our game, and we do that. We usually perform pretty well against them. So when we come in having to win a must win, it's really tough against a team as talented as San Miguel.
Kamusta yung interaction mo today or kanina, hours before the game? Kamusta yung conversation niya? Kamusta pa kayo?
Kamustahan lang. Kamustahan lang sa life, sa family namin, and then sa basketball also. Also dito sa family na kasi ko, nag-usapan din namin yung feeling na kamusta kapag binibigay yung best ko, yung feel niya, yung mga ganong moment. But, like naman sinasabi sa mga interviews, si Tito lagi nandyan yan to support you, like, father figure na yan sa akin, simula ng bata ko. So, grew up with my Tito, talagang cherish ko every moment. So, ngayon, nasa eBay na ako, bumalik ako, coming from international. Sobrang happy ako na nakalabang ko si Tito. And then, he always guide me, kahit sa bahay, kahit sa basketball, nandyan siya. So, very thankful ko na lagi na dinitito ko sa para sa akin.
And that wraps up our